Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. So this is my first time to do a resale of a Nintendo DS Lite. So this is my Nintendo DS Lite. As you can see, medyo luma na siya. It's been with me for a while na and I like to change it. Yan, it's operating. So let's do some tests. Medyo mapangit yung screen eh. So medyo marami siyang mga gas-gas. Been with me for a while na. As you can see, it's working. It's running fine. You can detect a DS cartridge. Yan. So this is an R4. Medyo emulator ang nilagay ko dito. Ayan. Let's play a game. This is a Mario Brothers. Yeah. Yan. Tingnan nyo. So that's it. So it's working fine. Medyo yung mga arrow key is need some cleaning, hindi siya masyadong responsive. So, kailangan pa ng medyo linis ng konti sa arrow key. So, when I open it up, I'll be cleaning that as well on the way. So, yan. So, let's play a few Mario here. Yan, yan. You can see. Yan. Working siya. Nang tumatawag pa si Mario. Kumukuha ng coins. Yo. Yep. That's it. So, ito. So, ito. As you can see, working naman siya. Medyo hindi responsive yung mga buttons niya. Kaya, konting, I'll do a clean up. Well, kasi i-open ko na rin naman. I'll just do clean that up as well. Para medyo responsive siya next time when I play it. Yan. So, I'm just grabbing some coins here. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. As you can see, I'm not good at Mario. So, alright. So, ito na yung DS na-test na natin. So, ayan, nakita nyo, may dumi sa loob. Hindi ko malinis yan. Kailangan ko talagang buksan yung touchscreen para lang malinis yung parang amag, some sort na pumasok sa loob ng DS Lite. So, itong case na ipapalit ko sa kanya, it's a transparent black case na nabili ko sa Shopee. So I'll put the link in the description if ever na may DS Lite kayong gusto nyo i-resell. So I'm not an expert, medyo honestly yung pagkakagawa niya is a bit wonky, no? Medyo bloated siya, hindi siya parang firm. As you can see here, hindi siya firm. Pero okay na for this project. So, meron na siyang kasamang buttons, saka screws. Okay, let's start. So, let's disassemble the DS Lite. So, may mga screws siya dyan. Yan yung tinuturo ko. Yan yung mga screw na dapat tanggalin. Tanggalin muna natin yung pen. And then, start unscrewing those screw. Alright. You can see here, I got my tools, mga screw. May siyang precision screw. So, you need a Phillips screw at saka tri-wing screwdriver for this project. If you think na gusto niyo gawin tong project na to, yeah, you need to do a tri-wing screwdriver at saka Phillips screw. So, tri-wing siya, most kasi Nintendo, siya, proprietary na screw. Kaya, yan. So, nakita niyo naman yung back cover ng shell medyo faded na. So, kaya I decided na palitan na rin siya. So, yan. Hinahanap ko pa yung yung tri-wing screw. Ayan. So, let's fast forward from here on. And, yung disassemble, medyo boring naman yung pag-disassemble. Probably, naman, don't want to see me doing some disassemble. So let's just do a fast forward for it until I reassemble it. All right, let's go. So at this point, medyo nag-struggle na ako. Yan, nahirapan akong palusutin yung black cable. So meron niyang kasing dalawang cable. Yung white one is for the mic and the black cable is para sa Wi-Fi antenna. So yan, medyo struggle yan kasi kailangan kong palusutin yan sa loob ng palusutin sa loob ng DS cartridge slot. Pero medyo naging struggle and eventually natamaan ko yung touchscreen, yung digitizer cable or yung flex ng digitizer. Kaya hindi na gumagana yung touchscreen. So I need to order paulit for the digitizer. And yun, so at this point talagang nag-struggle ako dito. And umorder na lang ako ng bagong digitizer panel sa Shopee din. I-ano ko lang lahat. So sa Shopee marami kang mabibili na pati yung top and lower screen digitizer, buttons. So actually makakabuo ka ng buong DS Lite from Shopee. Pero kailangan mo rin ng ibang parts, yung like yung Wi-Fi module, yung Wi-Fi module tsaka yung ROM. So yun lang mga things like that So at this point I failed to reassemble this one. So at this point, we'll wait for the items na binili ko sa Shopee and we'll go from there. Let's go!
One eternity later.
So we are back again with this new case na fully assembled ko na. Nakabit ko na rin yung digitizer na nabili ko sa Shopee. And ito yung case na ikakabit ko sana. Kaso hindi siya fitted nagbo-bloated. Tsaka hindi siya fit talaga. So, ang ginawa ko, binalik ko na lang yung luma kong yung pink na old case ko. Yan. So, yan yung ibabaw nga din, medyo bloated siya. So, nag-curve. Pero okay naman siya. At so far, hindi naman. Medyo nagkakaroon ng konting loose ng battery. Yan, connected naman. Nakabit ko na lahat ng accessories niya. And so far, working naman siya. Yan, okay. Fully assemble na siya. So, it's transparent black case. Ikabit ko na rin yung mga buttons. Yan, nakalimutan ko ikabit yung mga rubber niya dyan sa mga screw. So, maybe later on, we'll connect it, install it. Yan. So, yun, working na yung digitizer niya. Yung touchscreen, basically. At yan, maglalaro tayo ulit ng aking paboritong game. So, working lahat ng buttons. Responsive na, malinis na. And let's do a Mario Brothers. Super Mario Bros. Bro! Yan, so as you can see, nagre-response naman siya. I can play the game again. Yan, na-restore. Fully restored ko na reshell ko yung aking lumang DS Lite. Kuha na siyang bago, I think. So far. So, yan. Ayan guys, magano tayo, Mario lang tayo. Magpapakabihasa tayo sa Mario Brothers. Ayan. Points lang tayo dyan. Talon. Iwas ng konti. Ayan. Flower. Okay. Alright. Yan. Iwas tayo sa apoy. Maglaro ng apoy. Okay, yep. Kuhain ng coins para tayo yumaman. Alright. Di talaga tamaan, Dok. Ayaw. Iniiwas sa ko. Yan. Wait lang tayo na pwede na tayo makataan. Oops. Diba? Tama na yung marami tayong kung tayo masyadong maghahaman. Yan, talong-talong lang. Maging Spider-Man. Yan, kunin natin yung malaking coin. Yan. So, just tatalong ka lang sa side, sa side para makuha mo yung coin. Nababounce off ka sa wall. Yan, ano. Use tayo sa apoy. Talon, kuha lang ng coins. Oy! Hindi tayo nakaiwas. Olats tayo. Dead. Wow! Yun lang po. Yun lang po. Okay na po siya. At salamat sa panonood. At hopefully na-enjoy niyo yung pag-assemble ko ng ng DS Lite ko. And like, hope you enjoy the video. Do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. And we'll post videos again. Magiging na ako, active na ako ulit dito sa video ko, mga DIY videos ko. And hopefully, I'll see you on the next one, on my next video. Salamat sa panonood and hope you're doing well. And bye-bye.
Thank you for watching.